She's always in the sauce. But I have faith that they will grow, they will multiply, they would spread their wings like an eagle. And we gonna see. We gonna see. Okay, y'all, so this is how my plants are currently looking. Like I said in my last video, this one here is not doing too well, but this one is still standing tall. So I want to see if I could revive this. I have no idea what is going on, y'all, but I'm going to show you the new gadgets I got. I did show it in my Team U haul, so if you didn't check that one out, go ahead and check it out. That was such a fun video to do because I had so many things going on. But I got these cuties. I got these cuties from Temu. Isn't they? Aren't they cute? So I got two of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna fill it up. And I really wanted to get this to see if this will make a difference, because sometimes I feel like I'd be over watering it. Okay, so one bulb is filled. And we have the other bulb going. You would think it would be easier to fill these things up, but it actually isn't. All this water going, pouring down, but not much is going in. Isn't that crazy? Let me try minimizing how much water coming out. Okay, so they are both filled. So let me go ahead and dump this over. I didn't even see how it should be dumped. Do you dump it close to the water? Do you do it close to the root or not? If I did that wrong, let me know in the comment section below. And I'll go ahead and rectify it. So I'm gonna hold on to these just in case. Or should I throw it away? Because I think I'm gonna keep them. I think I'm gonna keep it. But if it don't work, suppose it don't get empty. Yeah, so you twist it like this. Does it? Okay, don't tell you when to stop. Okay, that's tight. And you could do it long. Oh, this one goes pretty long. So that's good. And I'm gonna stick it right over. It goes along and then it tilts down. It tilts down like this. So let me see. I'm gonna start off with it long, then I'm gonna stick it in. Okay, so that's how I'm gonna leave it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. Then I'm gonna go ahead and set it down, and I'm gonna show you guys how it works. Actually, this is the outlet, right? And I have to go and look for some of that. I know I have one upstairs, so I could go ahead and grab that. Oh, I actually have one. Oh no, I don't think that one does that. So this plant is a little bit taller. It's growing a little bit taller. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these over there by the door. So, what I do, And the cord is pretty long, so you don't have to worry about the length. It'll definitely reach the port. I just wish it came with a USB base, but that's fine. That's fine. I had a base upstairs where it was 2 USB in one. If I don't, I'm gonna go ahead and repurchase one from Amazon. So I have my base. What is going on? I have my base. Unfortunately, I only have one plug. Oh, you know what? I could use an extension cord. So this is how it looks. It comes with these 3 knobs. And why do I have a frog in my throat? And then this is the base, the plug-in. So hopefully, by doing this, I would be able to bring my buddies back to life, honey. So I do have an extension cord. Well, is it really an extension cord? Is it? Oh, I also have another one like that upstairs, you know. So, let's see. So one is the timer. You could do it for 24 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. The next you could do it at 25% light or 50% light. Ooh. Ooh. So for this one here, I'm gonna do it for 8 hours. Oh, okay. The button kind of blinks the color of the hour. So the 8 hours is red, 24 hours is green, and then 4 hours is blue. Okay. Look at how she's coming out. So let me do that for this one as well. This one here, because it's flourishing, I'm only gonna do it for 4 hours. Oh, actually it's not 24 hours. So you have 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours. And look at her. She's always in the sauce. But hopefully by doing this, I could revive my light. Light, really? I could revive my plant. Like I said, this one is doing much better than this one here, but I have faith that this one would survive. And also I've been spraying the leaves with this spray bottle that I have. So I will come in and I would spray it. And then I'll come in and I will spray it. So this is an update on my plants. So let's see. Okay, I'm investing in all these gadgets so my plants won't fail on me. I do originally want to put it by my door. I am going to get some planters. So let's see how that works. The only thing is if I put it over by my door where I want it to be, it's going to be obstructing. Would it be obstructing? I would have to get a long extension cord that would go to the other side because, okay, let me show you. Okay, so this is my front door. I want the planters to be on both sides. Not planters, the plants. So I want to get a nice, cute bottom so they could stand up tall in it on both sides. The thing is, I only have one outlet here. On this wall, there is no outlet. Ooh, and this is the gate that I purchased from Amazon for my dog. I really I'm glad I went this route instead of the retractable route, because this is pretty much easy. The retractable one would have been great because I wouldn't have to worry about this bar at the bottom, but I've grown accustomed to it. Really love it. But there is no extension cord over here, so I would have to plug an extension cord, run it around the wall, and then put it over here in order for that to be a success. And if I run the extension cord over here, then it's gonna leave one plug, and that's where my air freshener is at. See what I'm saying? So if I supposed to get an extension cord, it'd have to be like a Y, where I could split it and direct one over here and leave one back here so that both sides could have an outlet. But that's my dilemma. That's my dilemma. I'll figure it out. But right now it is perfect where it's at. Thank you for watching this update. Again, pray for my plants. I have faith that they will grow, they will multiply, they would spread their wings like an eagle. And we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Okay. I am gonna get more plants, but I do need to get some fly trappers because I noticed that I'm seeing like little gnats. And I'm not seeing them now, but I was seeing them. So I'm not sure what's that about, but I do know that some plants do harbor gnats. But I don't want to say that for this plant yet because I'm not sure. I don't see any right now, but I was seeing little speckles of it. But thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any advice for me, help your girl out. Drop it down below because I need it. I need it. I don't want to lose her. But thank you for showing your girl some love. And until next time, stay blessed.